Music therapy isn't just entertainment, it's a powerful tool that reduces anxiety, sparks joy, and reconnects loved ones. Let's explore how. Music has a unique way of reaching parts of the brain that dementia can't erase. Studies show that familiar songs can trigger deep emotional responses, bringing moments of clarity and happiness. Imagine your loved one humming along to their wedding song or tapping their fingers to a childhood tune. These moments are more than just memories, they're connections to their identity. Music therapy is used in dementia care to manage agitation, improve mood, and even enhance communication. It's simple yet incredibly powerful, and the best part, you don't need special training, just the right songs and a little patience. So, how can you use music therapy effectively? Here are a few simple steps. Choose familiar songs. Pick songs from their youth or meaningful moments in their life. Watch their reaction. If a song makes them smile or tap along, you've found a winner. Encourage participation. Singing, clapping, or even light dancing can deepen the experience. Use music to set the mood. Play soft tunes to create a calming atmosphere or upbeat songs for engagement. Music therapy isn't just for the person with dementia, it also helps caregivers. It creates shared moments of joy, reduces stress, and makes daily routines smoother. Curious about specific playlists and real-life examples? Stay tuned for my upcoming shorts, where I'll break down practical music therapy techniques you can use today. Want to learn step-by-step techniques for using music therapy? My upcoming shorts will share simple, actionable tips, so subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and leave your thoughts in the comments. For more dementia care strategies and caregiver support, check out my channel. Together we can use the power of sound to make a difference. Thank you for watching.